spring weather over here, we are actually looking at above average temperature and also below average temperature, and also maybe a little bit on tropical, and also about the severe thunderstorm, and also I will tell you about why I not upload, and also the next weekend I go to Canada. But meanwhile, we need to keep an eye on the West Coast, because on October the 9th, it's going to be very cold spread out, even much very cold enough to have snow. It is by the West Coast. And then the really very hot, and then this massive cold is very very hot on the Canada. It's just very very hot. But meanwhile, we need to keep our on a chance for thunderstorms, because each way with the dew points on October 13th, there will be a very moisture and atmosphere, and also will be another round. We don't know, but I will get. Not upload, but I will just turn out. I can keep eye on it. There's and also there's how much is also on the 15th. How much viewpoints will be up there? But will be another round. Because it is still on Sunday. Gonna be a little one on around 7 p.m. Then on the 13th, there could be another round. We keep eye on both rounds to chance for those thunderstorms. Too. Because why I not upload? Because I work on my other videos. But I try to practice for my the wolf quest to try to practice, but then I will eventually make different channels about it. But I still trying to work it on the project on with it, my wolves. Then also I still figuring out what to do to make show you what my plans for each day with the timing. And also still the topical is still gonna be quiet, but PNV model the program, but shows the how much going on with it. GFS shows a lot of different interesting with the dew points scenario. With the humidity rise, particularly with the dew points. Well, it's just gonna be very, very crazy severe next week. You can see it very easily between wet and dry. Additional protection. But there's another around. It's on this day, on 18 4 days, to see a drop of dew point I eventually this dry line and with the moisture is going to helping those thunderstorms building upwards. Those, yeah, I will. I go back to the actually there's 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 a chance for a system to pop up during the Gulf. Because in the Gulf, very far away, but there's a model to show how much there's a chance for that beginning taught with it. These storms are still going and popping upwards. Eventually will forming. Then it's good moving on and on. But this is not a big deal, but there's gonna be a storm popping up somewhere that region during the Gulf. Yep. On like October 16th, it's popping up and then head towards round October 20th is just going to round Florida, then move out of the way, then it's going to forming again October 22nd. Because keep your eye on it because it's just gonna be a little bit wild, but meanwhile it's just gonna be quiet. Additional with the Cape above average temperature and also with the tornado alley, the moving on with the Anina year. Because speaking of those chants for those storms popping upwards, but it's still far away, but it still could be there. It's just hiding it. The massive dew points is just gonna be there, and also we gonna be seeing how much energy will be in there in a 12 colored model to see those cape popping upwards. At least some models predicting like at least like couple 100,000 of cape to duels. But it's still gonna be strong as going getting. And also gonna be the 13th. And but still gonna be a little bit snowing in the mountains region for the winter, but biggest concern is the North Plain. Yeah, around the North Plain region. That's how much is going to get closer to it. In case what happens. Yeah, the Rocky Mountain could have around 23-inch of snow or 25 plus inch of snow. Some models predicting. We're just gonna be a big snow in the Rockies, but it's just gonna be good round because next weekend I'm not gonna be out Lorraine because I gonna be in Canada for 1 week. That's why I just crazy with the weather. I try to be telling you much I can. Lots of problems still need to solving. Still up there. It's very cold with those below average temperature. And then maybe in 19 there's another round. But meanwhile, it's just gonna be very hot in Canada on the 22nd. Very, very hot and freezing. And also, with those above temperatures that still going on around the 22nd, still difference between above or below average temperature anomalies. Still gonna be treading really weirdly in like a tornado alley in this year. This will be a couple days with those above or below average temperatures anomalies. This gonna be maybe part of last days with the going on with the snow with the Rockies mountains with the very October 12th. That's when it is, and then suddenly on the 13th there's going to be intense thunderstorms and then some rain towards Maryland on the 17th. The rest will be, and a little bit on the 13th, a little bit raining. But meanwhile, it's just gonna be dry and weird with the weather. This is extreme weather out here.